Hi guys, I'm Maya and I'm going to show you how to make slime. So what you're going to need is some hand soap. It's actually this one, but just put it in this little container to be easier. So let me just put this right here. You need some water. I'm going to just use this water. Just some water and some flour. Oops. So, and a container and something to stir with. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put your flour in your container. Mine is a plastic cup. And I don't have food coloring, so I can't use that. And then I'm going to just put some soap here. About, say, cover half of it. So you just put that in there. And you know your top of the water. You just put that in there. About 3. No, maybe 4. And just stir it. I think I will need more soap. And now I'm just going to pour. And now you can see it's starting to build up. And really, you don't really need food coloring, because it really kind of just turns this color a bit. So yeah, let me just put this away so don't make that mess. And what I like is you're not using borax or glue or cornstarch, although I have that. Ew. It's like Play-Doh actually. And it smells really good. So you're just going to be stirring it till it turns the way you like it. So I'll be right back. I actually had to put a little bit more flour and water because it was too soapy, because it stick to my hands or fingers too much. As you can see, it's really good. You could tell it really does stick to your fingers that much. If it sticks to your fingers a lot, you're going to need to put more flour and a bit more water, because you don't want it soapy like that. Now after that, after mixing it, you're going to want to put it in your hands to get rid of all the flour that's left behind. So I'm doing it over the sink because I don't want to make a mess. So that. And by doing this, you're actually getting rid of all the parts that stick on your fingers. You can open it. Go like that. It's just really good. Now as you can see, I'm going to need a little bit more flour. So you're going to put it back in there. And I'm going to put a little bit more flour in it. So yeah, I'm going to wash my hands. So yeah, comment down below what you think about this. And if it does really work, please no harsh comments, because I've seen in other videos they have harsh comments. just keep it to yourself. So yeah. Remember, if it's too sticky, put some more flour and water. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like this. Bye.